Hey guys, Adam here at DirectionTrader.com. Let's do a quick daily recap for the 13th of May. It's Monday morning here. The only thing we took today were three trades in the crude oil market here. The same choppiness has been going on for quite some time. If you go back here, let's minimize this chart a little bit. We've had this same choppiness, these same price levels for quite some time now. We've been chopping back and forth, and then on Friday, we did have a nice push down here to actually come down and test a rising support line that we have here. And then sure enough, we came right back up into our little chop zone here, and we're still using the exact same price levels as we've been using for just over a week now, guys. So, pretty easy. We came in today. Pre-market, we talked about these major price levels we've been looking at, like the 95 quarter, the 96 quarter, and all the way down here at the 94.90. So, using them price levels, we went ahead and was able to map out a pretty good plan here on the crude market. None of any of the other markets really moved too much for us. We had a couple opportunities in the S&P market, but we only took three trades in the crude market today. The first one here came right at 7:15 Pacific, and what we did was once we broke some support, we're like, hey, we're heading right back down to this rising support. So that was our overall goal for the day, is to come down and test this rising support here below. So we went short here at 7:15 with one contract, because we were above a price level here that was a minor one. If you look left on the 233, it was a minor area. We were having a little bit of a chop area, but as an overall trend and the overall market, we were looking to sell off and get this to push down to this rising support. So that's what we did. We took one contract short here. I ended up getting chopped out here on a trail stop for plus 12. That's fine. It went ahead and chopped a little bit further. Our final target was right in this area at the 94.75, 94.74 area. But anyways, so we got 12 ticks on that one. Stopped out on a trail stop. Good position. And then we got another retest. We had well established some support here. We went in at once short right here. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about here, guys. See what I'm talking about here. Okay. Zoom in here so you can see what we're talking about. We had well-established support here. Came up, retested it. We waited for confirmation. We went short. Went short two contracts. Actually, I got my plus 10 in my direction. So I was dragging my stop to my entry, and my stop was actually at my entry. But because of a little bit of slippage, I ended up losing 2 ticks on that on the account, which is no big deal. If you have any time in the market, you're going to know you just got to deal with slippage. So basically a break-even trade there. And then once again, we got another pullback as the dollar at the time, which we have down here to the left. You're not able to see it on this chart. But the dollar was starting to rise up. So when the dollar started to rise up, I was looking for the crude to go ahead and start selling off. And we were waiting for this sell-off all day. You can see we're just waiting for the sell-off to happen. It didn't happen, as you can see. But we went in for a retest with 2 contracts. I got my first contract off at plus 10, drug my second to my entry, and got stopped out on that. So I ended up getting 2 contracts for a plus 10 on that position. So that was it for today, guys. 3 trades in the crude market for 20 ticks. Not a bad day, just a very conservative day. We were very, very patient. Weren't able to trade any of the other instruments we were interested in. So it's part of trading. It was a Monday, so things we knew would be a little bit slower. But that's about it. We're still in the chop zone moving forward. So if you have any interest in watching us live or coming and joining us in a live trading room, come to DirectionTrader.com and take a trial. Come trade live with us Monday through Thursday every morning. So that's it for today. You guys have a good afternoon.